Hey guys, what's up? It's me and Max here, and I think this was a bad idea, but we have handcuffs here, right here, that we can open up at any time, any moment in time. Like we can open it right now, and whoever it opens theirs quits, and that means the other person will win. So we're gonna be doing like last to like get out of the handcuffs wins. I don't know. I'm gonna name this video. No, there's not like a prize, but like I'm trying to speak quietly because what's going on right now is not that well. So we ain't gonna go out of our yard. I think our yard's fine. Here, pass me the ball. Okay. Let me just go get this. Turn this up me.
We gotta do every single emotion that we have to do together.
And no switching. My ball isn't the bounciest, and yes, it is a Hello Kitty. Because when I was like 4 and 5, I got this ball at like a bund, like a type of like bar. So this is very hard. And catch. Okay, here. Take it. Catch. Here, pick it up. Now here, pass to me.
Okay, Joe.
Take. Okay, here. Get rid of the ball.
Okay, bye-bye, ball.
Move.
So hungry, Bowser.
Okay, let's go. Come on, you gotta go very, very slow. Okay, how about this? You go get a Pop Tart. Okay. Are you hungry? I'm hungry.
I'm hungry, but I'm not that hungry.
But we're both hungry though, so.
No, I'm gonna make a snack. Okay, I'm not gonna.
Let's take a little quick
I'm not gonna
snack.
have a Pop-Tart. I'm gonna have some.
So, me and Max are family, so it's okay if we're next to each other, but just so you know.
Yee.
Here, I'll be back, guys. I will not cheat. Okay, so I got a snack. Yeah, we got a snack. And we let our dog Pumpkin out.
Hello.
Which I think was a horrible idea because now we're stuck together. So
And we gotta do
and
what
she can literally clothesline us at any time. Or we can just clothesline her like, ah! Oh god, no, don't jump on us.
Puppy's okay.
Okay, so let's sit down somewhere. Like, come on, follow me.
You can sit down somewhere comfortable.
I think a great place to start is the back door. Let's go, come on. Okay, so guys, this is a very hard challenge, and the first one to give up will lose. And I was actually very, very smart when I did it, because when I handcuffed myself, I put mine not in a spot that is very weak. I put mine in a very strong spot. So I can get Max out, I was gonna use, if I, come on, let's go sit down.
Okay. Well, can you move over?
Crap, here, stay there. Okay, come on, go inside. Here, let me hold the camera.
Okay. Come on. Oh, now I know how he's gonna eliminate me.
Okay, guys, so here, wait, let me go place the camera. Let me see how good it looks. Wait, let me just try to place you guys. Oh, wait, no.
Better jab,
Oh my god, I just farted.
Better jab,
Okay, I think that's better. So, here, sit down. Sit down right up here. Okay. So, guys, you can't really move as much.
Like, it's hard to.
Okay.
Oh, wait, you know, we have to kind of sneakily do it because we can't put their brands in the channel.
It's fine. We're only eating it, so we're not like sponsoring it, so it's fine.
But instead, the main brand.
Yeah, but like as long as you're not like saying, "Bruh, I love this so much, you guys should go get it." That'll be fine. But if it's cracked, it's cracked.
Well, I didn't crack it.
I'm gonna eat the pieces that are cracked. God, is there another piece of stuff? And we got a Pop-Tart. Oh gosh, this is crumbled. Not bad. Guys, actually say it right to the camera after you're done chewing that. Say to the camera that you need to upload more videos. And say that I will upload more videos. Here, I'm gonna turn my hand so you can. That's not nice. You have to. I was about to win that challenge.
What do you get?
Yeah, I get to tell you one thing that you must do. And you could do the same for me if I lose. Okay. Ooh, a good Pop-Tart. Skip ahead to like 8:15 maybe. Maybe we'll be done eating. So actually, here's my question. If you win the challenge, what are you going to make me do? Like, if you tell me, like, don't eat, like, Cheetos for the rest of your life, I can't. What are you going to tell me?
Don't eat Doritos for a whole month.
Okay.
And
You already know what I'm going to tell you.
And it doesn't start like right now, or as I went challenge. It starts when you have a bag of Cheetos. But you can't progress until
a bag of Cheetos.
Doritos.
Okay, so mine is gonna be you have to upload 3 videos a week on your channel, and I'll try to do the same for me. Apparently we still don't have enough time. There's so much like dust and stuff on me. Give us to like 10. Mm. I'm done, Mackie's done, okay. So, let me grab you guys. Okay. Sorry it took me so long to eat, like 4 minutes, maybe 5. Let's go and throw stuff away and go get some water. Here, get up. Here, put your hand down like this, and then we go push up, and then up. Get up.
It hurts when you push up.
Well, you don't actually push up. Okay, let's go. Hurry up. Dang it. Okay, put it in here.
What, are you trying to get me out of the challenge?
Basically, yes.
That's not gonna work.
Second hole? Can't break out.
I have to.
Because if you do, it counts on you. Can't hold on to the thing, it'll hurt.
It hurts as heck.
You can't hold on to this little metal hole.
Why?
Because I can get you out in any second.
Because that means you don't win. Because you made me out.
Yeah, it is true. Okay, so we take a walk around the block? Like a little walk around the block.
Can
So?
we move for a second?
Sure.
Just keep on moving.
Sure. Oh God, no.
That's what I thought.
No doing that.
I'm going to try every single thing. Even if it means saying you put right here.
Follow me. I'm not going to take that route.
Follow you.
Let me put this down. Somehow it undid me, but I'll put that back on.
You lost.
No, I didn't. It was a handcuff themselves.
Do run, boys. End the video.
Here, let me fix them for you. Now, I want to do something that I think is much smarter. So, we're going to take a break. You can fix your thing however you'd like to. But you can't, like, put, like, a bajillion pillows there. Okay.
Okay.
I got my handcuffs.
So can I fix mine?
Yes.
So I don't get out of challenge.
No.
Take your mom.
So we get to take a little break because our hands will hurt.
Wow, I'm so can't do
What are you doing?
this. I'm this wood block so I don't actually
Okay. Dang it, you're too smart, guys. So guys, let me just get you guys here.
Okay, guys.
I don't know if it'd even go around. You have 10 seconds.
I did it.
Okay, let's go.
I did it.
Okay, let's go, guys. So.
It actually hurts less.
Oh gosh, this hurts more. I have an idea. I don't want it.
Guys, I think I may win this challenge.
Oh god, yeah, I think you will. I made it even worse by doing this. Ow.
And it really hurts.
It pulls off on you because these are kind of not so strong.
It's very easy because the wood is like very hard, and that ain't gonna work. It just puts on a lot of force.
And then walk around the block.
Okay.
Is that what you want to do?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Yes.
There's many things I can do to get you out there.
Okay, it's not gonna be easy.
Yeah, look at your hand next time. Okay. Follow me.
Okay.
We're gonna go play some tennis.
I can't even play tennis.
That's the hard part. Come on. Don't scare the viewers like that. I got one rack.
I can't play tennis. It's so hard.
Okay.
You have to be uncuffed.
Follow
I
me.
can't play tennis.
That's the hard part. And if you give up because you don't want to play tennis, I didn't think that through. I thought we were going to be so far away and it would hurt so bad. I'm dumb. But there's one game that we could play.
What is it?
Follow me.
What is it?
Catch.
We can barely play catch.
is the hard part. Catch. You unbroke mine again.
See, bud?
Follow me.
You can't do that.
Follow me. Let me do mine. Redo mine.
I don't think that will when it sounds like 100%. I mean, we can do hit the target. It's simple. Hit the target.
And if you don't, you have to promise that you're going to uncuff. So, we're going to try to hit the target.
Well, I'm just gonna ball. And that's period.
Okay, so you see that little... Wait, guys, give me a second. You see that little thing that's right here? We have to hit the center of that. So, here, go squeeze this ball.
You know, you get your ball. It's over there.
And you won. Okay, so I got one.
I gotta get my one.
I messed up, guys, because I handcuffed my dominant hand.
Yeah, we actually just go.
Okay, guys, be back. Okay.
Ow. It's hard doing this. I did it. Your ball's behind you. Come
You want a
on.
ball? You want a ball?
Yes. See what? You don't know what to do. I did it.
Okay.
Time to get one turn each.
Here, follow me. Yeah, pass it in. Okay. Now, you want to be the batter?
Oh, we can't play baseball.
No. I won't hurt you.
No.
Pretty safe, right? Okay, here. Bring up the camera.
So we're gonna
Follow me.
And
This boy down. Ow. Okay, come on, sit down. So this is 17. So there's actually one way. Let's stop. Now, to make it harder, this is how we do it. We each have to promise that we will uncuff ourselves if we lose. So,
Yes.
first 1, 2, kill each other. Anyways, what I was saying was this. We have to keep on passing the ball. And earlier today, I was teaching Max how to actually catch it and not just go like this with the basketball. Catch it like this, like with your hands.
We can't play basketball either.
So we're gonna pass it to each other. Ready? Come on, let's go get our ball.
But this is hard. What we're gonna do? What? Hand pass?
And if you do not catch it the right way,
What did we have to get uncuffed for that?
no, we don't. Here, you go there.
And what happens if we don't
Get
catch
back up,
it?
guys. Here, you have to uncuff. So this is how you do it. Here, right? Follow me. So since our hands are opposite, we have to bounce it from under. So here,
It's so hard.
Bounce
I
over.
can't really catch it.
ready? Okay, that sucked. That was me.
Well, Dino, see how hard it is?
Hurry up. I'm doing
Why did you
it.
just
Now watch
do
this.
it?
Ready? Ready? Catch it. Pass it over. Okay, follow me. Let's go up to the camera. Okay.
That was just practice.
So we're going to be doing it here. Oh my God, Matthew. I won't count it. Hurry, go. Go get it. Okay. Ready? Okay, back up.
Close.
Do you want to leave?
I freaking want to, but I don't.
Hit my knee. Ready? You still caught it, so don't worry.
Yeah.
Here, switch sides, switch sides.
Okay. Actually, I think it will be easier.
Oh! That wasn't me. That wasn't me. That was your fault. So let's go get the ball. I didn't catch it. So it's only if you catch it that we catch it, but because of them, not because of these brothers. Go, guys.
Thank you.
Okay.
I think it's really.
Go, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, back up, back up. No, in the grass. You could also go over them like this. Just so you know.
That was hard.
You still caught it, luckily. What was that?
Bounce.
You're not supposed to go, oh, and chuck it over there. You're supposed to go like this. And hit it there. You were so close.
Wait, it's uncomfortable. Something? I think I know what's gonna happen.
What the heck was that? Okay. Oh, you know what that is.
What the heck?
How
That
about
was such a short video.
Realize you have 2
Not
now.
that, you're not just gonna do this for the rest of the video? Boring.
No? Yeah. Leave now. No, it's okay.
I'm freaking leaving then.
Well, uncuff.
I'm never gonna uncuff. Never. Until I escape from this hellhole.
Guys, that is not my fault. That is his.
I'm getting mad.
Well, you can't do that. Hold the ball. I am too. Ow! Okay, now you're obviously disqualified. You're about to be disqualified. You have 1 more life now. That's supposed to go off and cheat.
You didn't say that.
Wouldn't that be obvious? Wouldn't that be obvious?
What?
I have
You're
one
just trying to pull me.
I have 1 life, and I have 3. It's not supposed to cheat.
Then you can't cheat. What's it? That. See? And now you just pulled off my ability. So now I had to get it back on. So I ain't getting my stuff. No, you pulled it out. You cheater. Now you get 2 lives. For cheating.
You guys, go back. Okay. Why you start walking? You don't walk. You know what that means?
What?
You have to walk.
I don't have to.
You have to do it.
Why, is that a cheat?
Technically, yes, because then
It's not cheating.
we're not doing nothing. We're not doing anything.
You're saying
What?
I'm standing.
That's all? We'll be out.
Then you can't do it. Because
If you have 0 lives, and even if you don't uncap yourself and you have 0 lives, you're still technically out. So, go. Come on.
you can't play without the ball.
We're talking to the camera now. Sorry guys, Max was just being mad because he rages a lot. As you may not know, maybe you do, but he does rage. And I'm sorry for what he said before. We each have 3 lives. I am at 2.
You don't have to take that.
No, I'm at 2. He's at 1. So if he loses it, he's at 0. He has to uncuff, and even if he doesn't uncuff, he's still out. So now we're gonna play a different game. It isn't as hard. Now, out here. Sit back there. Go as far as you can.
As far as I can.
Okay, so we're gonna go like this. Here, for this game, we do have to switch hands. So let me just do. Here, switch yours.
Okay.
Yeah, switch to your other hand.
Okay.
Oh, I'm kidding.
That's unfair. Well,
Yeah.
you gotta do your.
Okay, now we're good. Now we can just roll to each other's hand.
Okay.
So back up as far as you can. Put your arm out as far as you can. As far as you can forward. No, your other hand. Now I'm gonna go as forward. Okay, now back up. Back up. Okay, now let's move our legs out of the way. Okay, now it's catch. Okay, so ready? Throw it up in the air. Now catch. That'll work. It'll work. Okay, that was a bad throw. Sorry. Put your hands up. Ow. Don't go like. You gotta go like this. What? I'm kidding. Now let's go harder. And it can't hit the ground. Very close. But if like the catcher's like this, like if your hand's back here and it goes like this and it hits the floor, that wouldn't count. But it has to at least go like near your hand, so.
Come on. This is going hard.
Oh god, I'm so scared.
I'm not that good. I'm not that good.
Okay, now go a little bit higher.
Oh, I have to go a little bit higher. That's unfair.
Oh, okay. Yum, yum, yum. Oh! I don't know if it'll count.
It slid down. It slid out of my hands, but I still caught it.
Nya, nya, nya. Oh, that was me. Okay, so we have to go kill each other now. I lost the second life. I'm kidding. Okay, hurry. Here, go crawl. Start crawling.
I can crawl.
Here, go. Come on. I'm coming with you. Come on with you.
You don't need to crawl.
Yes, we do. Here, go. Reach it. Okay, we got it.
That works. That works.
I told you. Crawling is always the answer. Right, as far as you can. Okay, ready? Go, come on. Now low.
So it has touch the floor?
Yep. High. That was me. Crawl.
For the last time. You crawl. You do the crawling, I do the walking.
Go get it.
It's like a spy mission.
My butthole hurts so bad.
No, it has to be in there. That's copyrighted music, pretty much.
Yeah.
It has to be.
Here, up in the air. High.
Beep.
Oh, hi. That was me.
My middle finger. I can't flick birds at people.
Here, catch this.
It's really hard when I'm trying. I got scooched a little bit.
That was not me. And it wasn't you. Boogly boo. A free pass.
Oh, that was all.
Crawl mission. Yeah.
God, baby. Spy music by God, baby. Not copyrighted. Wee.
Whee! Oh, I don't know. You guys decide down below. I'll keep you alive, but if it happens again, you're out.
Wee. That's a favorite tricks.
I had it in my hands though. Spy mission. Oh.
I guess ultimate spy mission? Go, rock!
Let me just crawl for a second.
Yeah. I need my space mission rock. This is gonna be long. Play the God Baby Spy music. They're just looking at the sky. You can get it. Epic spy mission.
Here, check it out. Don't eat my phone. Oh, spy mission. My shoe's getting untied. How am I supposed to tie it? Sit down, hurry up. Sit down. Get. Oh,
That's my hat.
okay, it wasn't your head.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it. What? You're lucky I ain't gonna lose alive on that one.
I want you to lose alive.
What?
I want you to lose alive.
Okay, Ren. Catch. I'm kidding.
That was a bad one.
You suck.
Sweet. That doesn't count.
You just sat down.
It doesn't count, boys.
Pass it over. Put counts or doesn't count in the comments. Put counts if you think it does count, and put doesn't count in the comments below if you think it doesn't count. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. You're so dead.
I'm gonna keep on sleeping.
This video has been over half an hour.
No, I don't think so. I gotta get this my hand is so full.
1 life, 2 lives. Let's see who wins. That went